Hi everyone, this is William speaking. Today I'm going to introduce you how to fix a machine about the pull field rolls pass in the middle ceiling device. We stop here for a while so that you can see what's inside. There's a customer contact me by YouTube video and want to fix his machine, but the machine is not shown from my battery. But I'm still willing to help you, Sam, from Australia, okay? And this is the up paper horizontal packing machine. Model name is 215. We go to the back side. The first thing is you need to remove the green belt here, okay? And second thing is the chain, just lose it. And the small detail is inside of this small hole. There is a screw also, you should lose it and then you can pull it out. After that you lose this 1, 2, 3 screw, okay? And then we go to the front again. I already open these two panels so that the video can go fast. Later you lose these two screws and remove the handle, otherwise you stop you to open. And then you open and lose this big screw. So this complete set, 2 rolls, the box of the gear, and also the support tube can complete remove. And then I will offer you a new one to install. So once again, install the screw, the handle, and the backside things. So that's it. This customer is very smart to find me by WhatsApp. And the first thing Sam need to do is confirm the model name. The model sometimes is inside of the touch screen, or you can find the nameplate here or in the back. So confirm the model is the same. We can offer you the dimension. And Sam also need me to share the details like the size here and the height here of the complete set. And then after we can confirm the details, the size, that's what he need. And here also the video to share with Sam and all of you. But remember, the first thing is find a good supplier. Like me, offer you a bad machine and offer you a good server. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.